Welcome to another Infrascale how-to training video. Today we're going to cover how to go through a basic recovery. If you're going to a new machine recovering data from another device, you would first need to, of course, install the software. So you can go to our website, scroll down to the bottom, go to Downloads, and then download the appropriate application, whether it's for Windows or Mac. If you're in the dashboard, you can do the same thing. You scroll to the bottom, and you can see it here. Additionally, if you just need to recover an individual file, you could sign in to your backup account through the web dashboard and recover that way. For now, let's assume the scenario is that I've gone to a folder that had quite a bit of data in it, so how-to videos, and it's empty, and I need to recover that information. And I know it's been backed up because I run a backup every couple of hours, so I should have everything. So I log into the Online Backup Recovery Manager, and I select View Restore. It's going to refresh and give me a list of every device that I've ever protected data from. So I know the folder path of where I'm trying to go, so I'll just go ahead and navigate there this way. And the nice part about this view is you can also go full screen if you like, if there's more details. Let's make this a little bigger. And I go to Guides and How-To Videos, and here are all the files that I have. And you can see that some of these actually do have some versions behind it too, but I'm refreshing just to the latest date. So let me just select all this. I'll right-click and hit Recover, and I'll define a new location. Guides, how-to videos, great. And I'm not going to include the original file path because I'm just recovering the contents of this folder into the folder where it should be already. So I select OK, and now the recovery is going to go on. So depending on your internet connection and the amount of data, you may take a couple of minutes. If you're covering terabytes of data, it could take a couple of hours. It all depends on your network connectivity. So let's go back to this search. So we have a couple more options of how we can search through our backup set. Let's say I wanted to recover, say, all PowerPoint files created in the last couple of months. So I say, okay, let's get this up to 2015. And let's just say from April 1st through July 17th, give me all my PowerPoint presentations. And you search this way. And then you get a list of all the PowerPoint presentations you have, the versions, and the size. So you can select all this. And we see that we have 108 files. It's only about 280 megs, so that's not a whole lot. And same thing, you can right-click to recover, or you can use the recover selected here. Let's say on the opposite side, I want to delete a bunch of older files. Well, I can say, okay, well, let's go back here and say, you know what, anything backed up between 2008 and (2012), April to July, I just don't need anymore. So I do this search, and then I can shift select and see that's about 350 megs, 144 files, and I can remove these from the backup server. So that's another way of managing the data that's in your account. And that's it for recovery, and we should see that if we go back to our folder, we start seeing the files start to recover, and then we're all good to go. For more information or questions, please visit the website and go to infrascale.com. You can go to support, or you can chat now with support, or go to our knowledge base. Thanks, and have a good one.